welcome to my channel Draw So Easy Alligator.
Hi Advait.
Hi.
So what are we going to draw today?
Alligator.
Alligator. Do you like alligators?
Yes.
So first of all, here we'll draw one small circle like this. This is alligator's eye. Shall we draw another eye?
Yes.
Another circle. Draw one small circle inside
A small
in both the eyes.
uh,
And another small circle down here.
uh,
Now you can color the rest eye. आपने बस सर्कल को कलर नहीं करना है और बाकी पूरी आई को आप ब्लैक करना। Go slow. Oh, very nice. Another one. Now we will make curve line over the first eye, another curve line over the second eye. Yes. Oh yes, another. Okay, stop it right there. Now from this point we'll make a sleeping line and touch this one. Do you want me to give you a point? यहाँ से आप एक sleeping line. Oh, very nice. I love it. Then we'll make inverted U for the nose. Another one. Now bring it down.
Putting it down.
Now we'll make a sleeping line from this point. Very stop. Now can you make a curve here? Curve
को
down.
smiley लगा
है ना? Look like a smiley. Make a curve line down. Stop. Now from this point, make a sleeping line till this point. So उसका mouth open है ना, teeth भी तो बनाने हैं हमें. Okay. ठीक है. From this point, make a little curve downward. This is jaw, and then a sleeping line ऊपर वाली को follow करते हुए.
को follow
ठीक है. यहाँ पे हम एक छोटा सा कर्व बनाएंगे इस तरह से. फिर एक कर्व हम यहाँ से उसी को फॉलो करते हुए कर्व बनाएंगे ऐसे. मैं आपको पॉइंट दूँ. यहाँ से आप इस फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ तक कर्व बनाओ. फिंगर्स बनाए. ठीक है. अब हम इसकी अपर बॉडी बनाएंगे. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट विल मेक अ स्लीपिंग लाइन ऑल द वे. ऊपर वाले पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट विल मेक अ स्लीपिंग लाइन ऑल द वे बैक. Very good. Now we'll make a curve line all the way up.
Curve line all the way up.
Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll come here and we make a sleeping line like this.
Sleeping line.
Stop.
This
Now we make a curve line down leg.
curve line down.
Then curve line following this line.
Follow.
यहाँ से हाँ उसको फॉलो करते हुए नीचे लाओ. पहले की तरह मत कर देना आप. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे इसके फिंगर्स बना ले. अब देखो, इसको देखो. लुक एट मी. फ्रॉम दिस वी विल मेक अ कर्व लाइन फॉलोइंग द tail and join it right here. यहाँ से curve,
यहाँ से
curve.
यहाँ से
हाँ, यहाँ ज्वाइन करना है लाके कर्व लाइन को. देखो मम्मा ने कैसे ड्रॉ किया है. Okay. Now we'll make another feet here. Make a sleeping line over the eye line,
line
and then join it with a slanting line like this. Join it here with this. Join it here with a slanting line. Okay. Another sleeping, another slanting. Should we make the fingers now?
Yes.
Look at mama. Mama कैसे बना रही है fingers?
Okay.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे एक sleeping and then slanting. यहाँ पे. आगे यहाँ इस पाँव के बिल्कुल सामने यहाँ पर. Slanting. Sleeping, slanting. बनाओ फिर से.
Sleeping.
Slanting.
Slanting.
अब इसके feet draw कर ले. Fingers. Should we make a dot over the nose? Inside the nose?
Dot.
थोड़ा बड़ा dot.
Dot. Dot.
तो slanting करना है teeth. Slanting line down, slanting line up. यहाँ पे teeth is. हाँ, इस तरह से very good. Can you make more teeth? Yes, slanting down, slanting up, slanting down, slanting up, slanting down, slanting up. Now we'll make some design on the body. Downward curve.
कोई भी
Look at me, hand down. So what we will see now?
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Do you like your alligator?
Yes, yes, yes.
I like your alligator. It's very beautiful eyes.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter how it looked. What matter is we had fun.
Fun.
We had alligator fun. Give me a low five. So should we say bye to friends?
Bye, friends. Alligator, alligator.
In a while.
In a while.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.